is 15 kilohertz. Add them, 75 plus 15 equals 90. Hello, have you ever wondered why do FM radio stations have space between them? Why is one station at 99.1 MHz and the next at 99.5? What would happen if we put them too close together? Let's dive into frequency deviation, Carson's rule. Here's the formula. Bandwidth equals 2 times the sum of delta F and FM. Delta F is the peak frequency deviation and FM is the maximum modulating frequency. In frequency modulation or FM, the carrier frequency doesn't stay constant. It swings up and down depending on the strength of the audio signal, like music or voice. What is delta F? Delta F means the maximum shift of the carrier frequency, how far it moves from its original frequency because of modulation. It depends on how strong the audio signal is. The louder or stronger the sound, the bigger the frequency shift. Example of peak frequency deviation. Let's say a carrier at 100 MHz frequency. When a soft sound comes in, swing a little. Example, 100.01 MHz. When a loud sound comes in, swings more, or 100.05 MHz. Think of it like a swing. The harder you push, the higher it goes. In FM, the louder the sound, the more the frequency swings away from the center. This is the reason why FM stations are spaced 200 kHz apart. Let's say the carrier can swing up to 75 kHz in either direction, and the highest audio frequency is 15 kHz. Add them, 75 plus 15 equals 90. Then multiply by 2. That gives us a total bandwidth of 180 kHz. Then we add guard band, 20 kHz. Total spacing, 200 kHz. That's why stations are spaced 200 kHz apart.